was a beautiful sunny day and there was almost no wind. So we decided to head off the dock and out into Lake Michigan. We found a beautiful spot to anchor just off the coast. This was actually our first time ever anchoring Archer. We've always been in a slip or in a marina, but today we wanted to actually throw out the hook, set it, and forget it. Actually, we didn't forget it. We set our chart plotter so we can make sure we set it right. And then we enjoyed the sunshine and the nice cool water. We baked on the deck, got too hot, then we would just dive in, go for some swims. We even got some flippers and snorkels that we played with and tested out. I almost drowned, but that's another story for another time.
Alright, on the back of the boat, Julie's trying to scrub. She's got my life vest on, I think wrong, and it's way too big for her. But here we go, let's take a plunge. Alright. This is awesome, feels great. I'm gonna give Archer a little back.
Good try.
And I think we are going to attempt the first ever underwater hole swim.
Underwater what?
Hole swim.
Hole swim?
I gave up on the snorkel mask and the snorkel. I'm gonna try this with swim goggles. Let's see if we can go find Julie. Okay, I found her. Let's go down. All right, so we're gonna do the first ever underwater hole swim. Let's scare Julie.
Oh my God, what the f are you doing? Why would you do that to me? Why would you do that to me?
I would say a first underwater hole swim, a success.
Oh my God. You're a jerk. You scared me. Little world.
I noticed earlier we had some fishing line on our prop, so I was diving down cleaning that off. And now we're just, well, Julie's getting some of the scum off the boat.
You're gonna get the hand scrubber because this side is so bad I can't get it off.
Yeah?
It's like a bunch of algae on that side. Oh my God, that's tired.
The other good thing about a sailboat is diving off, but you gotta clear the lifelines. Water's great, come on in.